This morning we're gonna install these Morimoto 4-banger ditch lights. I didn't even know they were based out of Atlanta, so I got these within like 2-3 days max. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I went with the yellow ones because it matches the same yellow lights on the TRX when it's running. Let me give you an example. So I'm gonna lock the truck, and those same yellow lights that you see are the same ones that are on when it's running. So you're gonna need a 13mm socket and a ratchet. I decided to use my electrical one. You're gonna loosen these two over here. You can loosen the two on the opposite end. So once you loosen these two nuts, you're gonna slide the bracket underneath it and just tighten it back up. So here's how the bracket sits. Now we're gonna put on the mounting brackets. I didn't tighten down the mounting brackets because I want to position the lights where I want them to be exactly. So let's go ahead and put on these lights and then position them. So this is what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and tighten them down, position it to where I want to, and then we're going to get to the wiring stage. All right, so boom. Everything looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna tighten everything up. But I'm gonna just update y'all on what happened between this hour and a half. So right here, we put the positive, we tied that down in. We did the ground to the battery. Relay, I didn't know where to put it, so I called Morimoto, and they were like, you can just put it anywhere. You can Velcro it, you can double-sided tape it. So what I did, this little silver extended piece right here, I drilled a bigger hole so I can mount it right here to this bracket. I ran the extension cord because it was long enough, but it had tension. So I ran the extension cord to the second pod. Now I have to wire this. I have to wire this connector through the cab. I'm probably gonna drill it in somewhere so I can just press it. But I really want to see if it works right now. So let's see. Ooh, okay. Excuse my floor mat, but I pulled back this grommet. I'm fishing it through right here. I'm thinking to have the button like somewhere right here. So I'm gonna just pull this down, unscrew it, take it out and drill a hole. So let's go ahead and do that. So they recommend you making a 3/4 hole. Only had a half. I kind of made it a little wider, but I'm gonna smooth it out with my Dremel. I'll be right back. So after some fabrication, I got the light switch right there. Why don't we do it? We can do that.